Tomorrow will be the concluding day. My best wishes to all younger generation, the youth of Mukajan LSE, and this youth festival will bring strength and unity among the youth, and I wish them for a grand success of this program. At the same time, I would like to appeal the youth of our LSE that they should avoid drugs. They should not touch drugs because drugs is the enemy of the younger generation. So they will destroy. So if they really want the youthful life and want to do something for our district, for our community, then they should avoid drugs and they should devote more times for their studies so that they can learn many things, earn many things. Then this earning and learning will utilize for the upbringing of Karbi society. My best wishes to all of you once again for this 32nd Karbi Youth Festival. Thank you.